Hello and welcome to our channel. Before we jump into today's review, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a look at the world premiere of the global version Xiaomi Mi Band 8 Blood Oxygen Fitness Tracker. This smart band is packed with features to help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. Let's start with the specifications. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 features a 1.62 AMOLED screen with a resolution of 192x490 and a screen brightness of up to 600 nit. It's water resistant up to 5 ATM and has a battery life of 16 days for normal use or 6 days with the always-on display. It also comes with a variety of colorful watch faces and sensors to track your health metrics. What sets this smart band apart is its stylish design and variety of straps to choose from. This sleek and lightweight band is available in champagne gold and graphite black, and you can choose from different strap designs and materials, including leather, pendant, braided, and TPU straps. With over 200 different colorful watch faces to choose from, you can always find a unique combination to match your style. But it's not just about looks. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is also designed to help you stay active. With over 150 sport modes, including the new running clip mode, you can track your workouts with professional accuracy. The running clip mode monitors 13 professional stats such as stride frequency, stride length, ground contact time, and impact force, giving you a more detailed picture of your performance. And when it comes to health management, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 has you covered. It features 24-hour heart rate monitoring, automatic monitoring, and alerts for abnormal heart rates, scientific sleep monitoring, all-day stress monitoring, and more. With its fast charging capability and superior water resistance, you can wear this smart band all day and night without having to worry. So why should you consider getting the Xiaomi Smart Band 8? Not only does it help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals, but it also does it in style. With its variety of stylish straps and colorful watch faces, this smart band is not just a tool, it's an accessory that complements your personal style. So if you're ready to take your health and fitness to the next level, click the link in the description to grab your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 today. Don't miss out on this world premiere, get yours now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.